All right, it's day 2. We're about to go ahead and knock the rest of this fender stuff out. I guess he's about to pull it out right now so we can get around to the back a little bit easier. Can you see that? Probably not. But that's what we're doing today. Woo-wee. All right. Hold on. Can you get a little bit more space on that side? You're way closer to this wall than you are to that one. I was saying, can you get it a little bit closer over here on this wall? Because you're way closer to the right side than you are over here.
Like, oh, you mean try and back it up and...
Yeah, I was trying to get a little bit more space in here. Like, no room at all.
Yeah, I can just pull it in like a little bit more crooked.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right, so like come this way?
Yeah, come try to get it over that way a little bit.
All right, yeah.
All right, so one of the first things we're gonna do is adjust these camber lower control arms to get a little bit more camber out of them. That way they'll fit and won't be rubbing the fenders once they're installed. So that's something we're about to do real quick before we finish the setting.
Jesus Christ. This thing is huge. Better fit.
It's recording. Does it say record? You can talk.
It says record.
You can talk. It's okay.
It says record.
Oh my God. I'm not editing
that out.
I'm not editing it out because I want them to know how annoying you are. But what all I'm doing is this little lip, it comes out probably like 1/4 of an inch, which so for fitment reasons that's not a good thing. So I'm just taking this cutoff tool and basically grinding that down flat. So when he airs out, the tire can slide right up on the inside of there. So yeah, that's what I'm working on now. And then after I do that, I might shave a little bit off the rear fender on the driver's side, and then like a little, and then I gotta cut the whole fender off the rear passenger side, and then drill, and then we'll basically be done.
We'll be done after that.
Yeah, it'll be ready for paint and alignment pretty much.
I'm already painting some of the stuff in the room, in the guest room. So Lane, if you stay in my guest room and you get high, it's because of the paint.
Yep. You can turn it off. It's about to get dusty. Alright, so that trimming went pretty smooth on this side. Got the flare on.
Oh God.
Yeah, 3-piece wheels are heavy.
Dude. I thought 3 pieces would be lighter.
Nope.
Whew. Alright.
But man, that fitting.
It's the angle.
Yeah.
Really. There's like no room for me to move.
For this last one, we just decided to pull the car out because there's like no circulating air in here, and there's better light, and it's just easier to move around, way more space. But this side is done, just gotta do it on the other side. But this makes me happy. Look at that, how well that door fits in there. Perfect. It's not even touching it. I'm gonna do like a quick mini shoot while it's pulled out.
That thing is like, look at it from right here.
Yeah, while it's pulled out, I'm gonna do like some cool cinematic-y stuff after I finish it. Oh yeah.
I gotta fix that canard.
Oh wait.
It's broke. It's not broke, it's just the self-tap came out a little bit.
Oh, this might be a thumbnail right here. Oh my God. That's so sick. So yeah, one more side, then we'll be done, except for paint and alignment. So yeah, guess I'll go ahead and cut this side out, and then we'll I guess that'll be it.
Gang gang, we in here. All right, here's what we doing. Last side. I lost what I was gonna say.
Have they seen the wheels yet?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh,
They
okay.
seen the wheels. They just don't know the specs.
Oh.
That's a secret. But he's about to cut the last side. The other side is about perfect. Just need some camber. And then we're done.
Nice.
And then he's gonna get some pictures of it. And then tonight I'm gonna I've already started painting some of the smaller parts. Like there's a door trim that doesn't need to be messed with or cut or anything. That goes right here. And I've already primed that and all that stuff. I just gotta paint it. I was waiting to get these off because it has like a hardening agent in it. So I need to paint them all at once. And then we're done.
I'm gonna change it to slow motion now. Cool. All right, so I got this on the WRX is different from the FRS because like on the FRS where the the upper piece and the lower skin meet is a lot lower on the FRS than it is on WRX. So when you cut them off, they don't separate from each other until like way up here. So all I'm really doing is just I left a little lip of the underskin and I'm just kind of banging it up to make sure it's just tight against the outer skin. And then we'll probably go back later on and just put like some silicone to just to waterproof it all the way. But for now, we need to test fit them now that I done cut them. But I'm just gonna knock this up just to get as tight as possible of a seal. And yeah, so we're just gonna test fit them and then see what they look like. If they need more cutting, which they might need some right here, I'm not sure until we test it. We might need some more cutting right there and maybe a little bit right there. But it's definitely high enough, I know that for sure. So yeah, we almost there. Because it's like 100 degrees and I'm ready to be done. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I wish this is how I would have done mine. Mine's a little bit more jank, but it's gonna have to be redone anyway to create some more wheel clearance for when I get adjustable suspension. And I'll recut it and do it like this and either weld it or just seal it to itself, something like that. We'll see when I get there. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and drill those holes out, throw on the new fender, and we will be pretty much done, besides painting, you know, alignment. Oh boy. Jesus. Now we just gotta take a few pictures of this thing so I can flex it on Instagram even though it's not mine.
Good flex.
Alright, so I guess that does it for this. It's all the way soft? Well, I guess that, yeah, like I was saying, that's going to do it for this install. Guess I'm going to get packed up. He's going to put the car back. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to pack up. But, yeah. I'll just end this video when I get back to the house, I guess. Alright, so I'm back home from, working on Demon's car, back in the garage, put the tools up. It's a good habit I'm trying to get into, always putting back every tool that I used in its proper spot so I don't have to find it again next time. It's just easier like that. So I'm trying to get in the habit of doing that. But yeah, his car is basically wide bodied now. Still needs a little bit of tweaking because, well, first of all, it needs an alignment. Second of all, it's just rubbing fender liners. I'm not running fender liners on the rears of my car, so I don't have to worry about that. He might have to pull those out, but other than that, just needs an alignment, maybe smaller tires, and it should be perfect. So, what's next? I guess it's just, I think his car is pretty much done, except for the fact he needs to paint the kit. But after that, I guess I'll just be working on mine from now on. Yeah, so our next show is going to be Helen Import Day up in Helen, Georgia. It's basically like on the side of a mountain. So we'll be there. If you're watching this video, come say what's up. Which I highly doubt, but if you do see this video and you see us, come say what's up. So yeah, I'm going to end this video right here. Like and subscribe if you like these videos, and if you don't, that's okay too. I'm tired and hot, and I got to go cut grass before it gets dark. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one.
I'll be honest with you. There's something about you.